So good morning students, welcome back to today class. The last class we saw about Indian villages. So in this yesterday class we saw about the formation of villages. So our ancient people, our early humans, they were lived a nomadic life. So nomad life means they were moved one place to another place and they don't have a proper food and shelter. So that is the reason they shifted one place to another place. So at the time the people don't know how to cook and how to make a fire. So they hunted animals and they gathering fruits directly from trees. So this is a main food for the people. Okay, so later only the people started to learn agriculture and cultivating plants and so the people realized so the water is very important to plants. So the animals also helped the peoples, and they started to keep the animals also with them, and they selected someone place. So at the place they started to live permanently. They stopped leading a nomadic life. So this is the lifestyles of our ancient people, and this is a method also formation of villages. So this is the methods of formation of villages, and today topic is life in villages. So what is the lifestyles in villages? So how village peoples are behaving, and how the people are treating others. In our Indian countries, 60% of people lives in villages. So the most of the people lives in villages. So the village areas represents rural areas. So the village areas means that areas are called rural areas. So the rural areas, it's totally different from towns and cities. So the present days we are living in Trichy. It's called one of a city. The town place and city places we are all living. So it's totally different from village places. So the villages are totally different from towns or cities, and because the cities are more developed. We having proper we having a lot of schools. We are seeing lot of schools we are seeing in our cities and hospitals and companies, industries and enjoyment parks, fun land. So these temples and railway station, police station, so these are the places we can see in the cities. But in the village side we can see the less amount, no proper development. Even in the village side even we can see one or two schools and one primary hospitals. So these are the similar differences between the cities and villages. And the village side mostly mainly have farmers and fields and forest. So these are the things we can see in the village places, because the village side we can see the lot of lands. Even the land means and who will work? The farmer only work on that land. The farmer only producing different varieties of pulses and different varieties of food. Mainly the farmers will help us, because the farmer only producing food for us. So really we want to thank to farmers. So the life in village it's very simple, because the way of dress, even the food style and the culture also different, totally different from cities and villages. So the villages are usually peaceful. So in the surroundings we can see the peaceful and calm and the full greenery places. But the cities are totally different. because lot of place fully covered the schools, hospitals. So the full time we can see the crowd only in the city side. We can't see the greeneries also because all the places fully occupied, industries, and our home, factories. So we can't see any greenery and field in the city places, but in the village side we can see the lot of greenery places. So we can get the breathe air. We can get the breathe and fresh air in the village side. And the people living together, the people living in a joint family. So in that family we can see the six or above members live in a family, that is called a big family. Even a festival times also the people very enjoying and sharing happiness with one another. They celebrated festival together, and it is even the Pongal celebrations are also very good in the village side. They are conducting so many programs, and they are offering some gift to others. So they take part in each other's joyful occasion. So the village side, it's a very we can feel the good atmosphere, and the people also enjoying, and we can feel the fresh and breathe air also. So this is a lifestyles of village people. So dear students, learn this today topic. Thank you.